Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best chicken coop doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the kenGuard Premium Automatic Chicken Coop Pop Door Opener and Door Kit Combo. First of all, this chicken coop door is equipped with an advanced LCD screen and powerful sensors. Also, the process of setting it up is straightforward and uncomplicated, as there is no cabling involved. Finally, all you need to do is fix this door opener on the chicken coop, and then attach its cord to the door. Thereafter, by setting the timer, you can automatically open this door in the morning and schedule it to shut down in the evening. You can also use the adjustable, lux, light sensor for automatic opening and closing. As a matter of fact, with this automatic door opener, you don't have to get up in the morning in order to protect your chicken from invaders. Therefore, you can expect great benefits when you use this product. Moreover, due to its user-friendly features, even beginners can conveniently use this door. Moving on at number 4, we have the addamotor Chicken Coop Automatic Door Accessory Motor. To ensure the complete safety of the chicken, this door comes with a safety connector. As a result, there are decreased chances of injury to poultry in case the door is jammed. In fact, during such times, it would shut down slowly. Also, it is easy to install and does not involve complex programming. Its heavy-duty motor easily attaches to any kind of the chicken coop door and automates it. Also, this motor is reversible and comes with adjustable stop settings. Recognized as a customizable chicken coop door, you will be surprised at how convenient it automates the entire process. In fact, the credit for its efficient operation goes to its powerful motor, which makes the operation convenient. As a matter of fact, this motor can raise and lower a door weighing up to 10 pounds and is suitable for door openings up to 25 inches. At number 3, we have the Titan Incubators new automatic chicken coop house door opener closers. What makes this chicken coop door unique from the rest of the models is its weatherproof build. Therefore, this proves to be perfect for use throughout the year. To set it up, you just need to put the batteries in place, adjust the current time, and then select the program that you want to use. The chosen program can easily be altered by the touch of a button. This coop door is reportedly compatible with many other doors and is quite easy to set up. In fact, it is perfect to use on the exterior of a chicken house. However, if you use it on the inside, then it is best to use the timer option only. At number 2, we have the ChickenGuard Automatic Chicken Coop Doors Opener. The all-in-one design and the simple setup process makes it an easy-to-use chicken coop door opener. Moreover, this comes covered in a weatherproof case and is completely covered in epoxy resin. This arrangement allows the product to sustain itself through extreme weather conditions. It also comes with a fully featured LCD screen that displays accurate readings. Also, there is not much to worry about its maintenance and its use. In fact, you just need to fix this door opener to your chicken coop and attach the cord to it. Thereafter, you only need to set the timer and decide the time of opening and closing. And finally at number 1, we have the Automatic Chicken Coop Door by AutoDoor. This ready-to-use automatic chicken coop door is heavy-duty by nature and also quite durable. It comes with several useful functions such as speed control, lifting capacity, and much more. All of this makes it a recommended product and your chicken would definitely benefit from the protection that it provides. It comes with 3 operating modes. These include a manual, timer, and override. As a matter of fact, this can easily be upgraded to sunrise, sunset mode. Also, this product uses a predator-proof heavy-duty type aluminum material in its manufacture and as a result, it is free from corrosion. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.